Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to summarize Excel data in seconds using Claude. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to summarize your Excel data in seconds using Claude, all you can do is simply go and tap open your Claude. Once you simply go and tap it open, you can simply use the Claude's for Excel add-in. These methods integrate Claude directly into your Excel workflow, allowing in-context analysis. So first of all, you need to simply go to Claude and you can simply add in into your Excel using your Windows or MacBook. You can connect your accounts and highlight your data. Now you can prompt Claude to simply summarize that particular Excel and insert the result. Otherwise, you can simply use the Claude's website. You can simply open your Claude, tap on the plus sign, tap on upload file, select your Excel sheet that you want to simply summarize, and once you simply paste it here, you need to tap on summarize Excel data in seconds. So after this, you can get your update or you can simply get your summarized version. So this way you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.